No aggression. No emotion. Pure bi-
The calf is running, but it is running alone. Everything the last 8 minutes built though. 3 meters. To a sprinting lioness and walker, that is nothing. Within the herd, a bond that will be tested before this day is over. At this age, the calf cannot outrun anything. It has exactly one line of defense. A female, battle-scarred and experienced, and her calf timed 3 months into a dangerous life.
She knows this calf's voice, its scent, the precise sound of its distress.
They have been watching for 40 minutes, patient, unmoving, certain.
A pride of 9. 4 experienced huntresses already in position.
The lead female. She has hunted buffalo before. She has the scars to prove it.
A small repositioning. No alarm, no signal. Just a cow mother quietly closing a gap.
She has already chosen her target. The plan is already built. The herd does not know. The calf does not know. But she does. Two subadults on the flank, still learning, watching her for every cue. She knows the herd is a wall, but no wall is ever seamless. A healthy adult buffalo is almost never targeted. One horn can end a lion's hunting career. That horn tip, sharp enough to puncture bone, carried by an animal weighing 800 kilograms. The crack, small, reddish-brown among gray. One animal slightly out of step. She has already found it. The hunt has already begun. Lions are not reckless killers. They are energy accountants. This is why lions do not target healthy adults. The math does not work.
The calculation is finished. She is no longer deciding. She is waiting.
Every hunt is a calculation. Energy spent against calories gained, against risk of injury.
Each paw placed before it accepts weight. Retractable claws, padded soles, engineered silence. The stalk. Metre by silent Metre. The most dangerous phase of any hunt. She drops her profile. The stalk begins. Not a sound.
300 meters in a sprint of less than 12 seconds away.
The lag is consistent. Quarter of a step. Invisible to every animal here for one, except one. The crescent formation. Escape routes closing without the herd knowing it. A buffalo raises its head, scans, finds nothing, returns to grazing.
Wind in her favor. She can smell them, they cannot smell her.
She never moved.
Now she advances again, 80 meters remaining.
Eyes locked. Breathing stopped. The last moment of stillness.
6 meters. The cover is thinning. She slows further, adapts, advances. 40 meters. The triangle is almost closed. Everything is aligned.
Frozen mid-stride. One paw raised. Not a breath. Not a sound.
A buffalo stamps. Alertness ripples outward. One wrong move ends the hunt entirely. 0 to 50 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds. Pure biological engineering. The herd shatters. Panic is a weapon. Panic separates. Three meters. To a sprinting lioness at Walker, that is nothing. The calf is running, but it is running alone. The mother is already ahead in the dust.
The adults pull away. The gap opens. 1 meter, 2, 3.
Left blocked, blocked. Right blocked. Ahead blocked, the herd pulls away. No aggression, no emotion, pure biological execution. The flankers collapse the exits. Every escape route closing simultaneously. Everything the last 8 minutes built though, happening in the next 2 seconds. Contact.
Barely carries over the stampede. To every ear here, except one.
The neck grip I'd missed. The calf twists hard. Survival instinct, pure physics.
Head down, boss forward. Locked onto the lion's scent. She does not hesitate. Her ears lock onto the frequency. 4 million years of wiring troll. Activating now. The switch. From prey to threat. It takes less than 2 seconds. She disappears into the dust. Then the sound of 3,000 newtons. Scent confirms it. Calf, lion, contact. All inputs pointing one direction, back. The calf is free. The boss does not compress, does not yield. Every newton transfers directly into the lion.
The lioness goes airborne. 2 meters. Hard landing. The hunt interrupted.
She tracks all 4 simultaneously, ears covering what eyes cannot.
Stillness. Neither side yielding. But something is about to change everything.
The lioness reassesses, ribs heaving, every approach angle covered. 4 lions, 1 mother, 1 calf. From above, the geometry looks impossible. A wildebeest flees and does not return. The Cape buffalo operates differently.
8 years to fully fuse. Harder than most materials a predator possesses.
She positions herself as both shield and weapon. No separation between offense and defense. This structure, the boss. Evolution's answer to 4 million years of predation.
The elephant calf sees the lion through her legs. 6 centimeters of cover that changes everything.
The distress call reached the herd's outer edge. They decided to come back.
But look at the horizon. The herd is coming back.
The lioness hears it.
Turns.
The equation just changed completely. The wall forms. Not fleeing. 400 animals fessing, returning.
From above, the lions are surrounded. They just don't know it yet. She looks for the gap. There is no gap.
The lions are compressed. Lateral now, not forward. Testing, not attacking.
Synchronized without signal. 400 animals, 1 decision. 1 decision. Largest animals forward. Calf at geometric center. Concentric rings of defense.
One of the most sophisticated collective defense structures in the animal kingdom. Forming right now.
A probe. Instant response. The wall advances, then resets. Seamless. One final scan. Every door battled, closed. She makes the only rational decision left. 30 seconds of stillness. The outcome is already written. They leave the way all predators leave a failed hunt. without emotion, conserving every calorie.
She does not look back. She is already planning the next hunt. She turns. No urgency, no panic. The pride follows without a signal.
The formation dissolves as naturally as it formed. No signal, no command.
The Serengeti has more secrets. Every week, we go after every one of them. Subscribe.
The wall holds long after the lions are gone. The safety margin built into the biology.
The Serengeti does not record outcomes. It simply continues.
She remains forward longer than the others, still reading the air, still watching.
A family that almost ceased to exist tonight, Tobias, grazing quietly into the dark.